Hello everyone. I have here today for you a Cut Da Carb Chimichanga Burrito. We're going to start by taking your flatbread out of the package. Seal your package properly, make sure it's closed. Put that back in the fridge. We're going to be using the dark side down. You can see the brown spots. The other side is white, does not have any brown spots. So that's going to be the side we place down. Dark side down. It has little bubbles that are going to create a cushion as we roll. We're going to set this aside. I have here for you a little quick guacamole. I have chopped white onion, cilantro, avocado that I've already seasoned with garlic salt and fresh pepper, and tomato. We're going to add 2 fresh limes. We're gonna make here a little fresh quick guacamole using the back of a fork, the bottom part. You're gonna just start to combine all the ingredients, smashing them down, mixing them around until they're properly mixed. All right, I have the quick and easy guacamole mixed well. You can see here. We're gonna set that aside. Now, we're gonna get to rolling here. I have ground beef, shredded cheese, lettuce, sour cream, and taco sauce. The Cut Da Carb Flatbread has been designed to be rolled a certain way. You want to keep it horizontally and then roll like so, okay? It has cushions, like I mentioned earlier. If you leave the dark side down, that will make it much easier to roll and will cook properly. We're gonna start by adding our dry ingredients first. Always add your dry ingredient first to avoid moisture. Gonna put a good amount of cheese right there for you. It's your dry ingredient first. We're gonna add our ground beef that I've already pre-cooked and I've let it cool. You do not wanna add any toppings that are hot. You wanna set them aside and let them cool. Okay, we put our ground beef. I'm now going to add a little bit of sour cream. I'm gonna add a little bit of that fresh guacamole we just made. A little bit of taco sauce. A pinch of some shredded lettuce we have here. And then you're gonna wanna seal it off again with some more dry ingredients. I like to add a little more cheese. And now we are going to tuck and roll. When doing the tuck and roll, we're going to roll this way. Start by going from the back, give it a nice roll, tuck, tuck, roll, and tuck more again. You can see right there, we have a nice perfect burrito with the seam side down. We have our burrito working in the pan here. I have coconut oil. I have placed it seam side down, so the full part first. Once you know that it's finished sealing, you will then flip and continue to cook. Let's give it a flip here. Yep, perfect. Seam side down. This is the seam part where you fold it. Show you guys here the finished product. Nice and crunchy. Oh yes.